Refreshing iced tea is a profitable addition to any food service menu. Southern Breeze Ready Sweet Tea Flavor Paks let operators expand their iced tea menu options with these unique-to-the-industry flavoring options for sugared sweet tea products. Compared to other tea flavoring additives such as flavored syrups, these innovative flavor packs deliver many operational advantages. And they're currently available in the 3 most popular flavors on U.S. menus today: raspberry, peach, and tropical, with more flavors to come. Best of all, Ready Sweet Flavor Paks are simple to incorporate using existing brewing equipment. To get started, you'll need 1 Ready Sweet Tea Pouch tea brewing pouch and 1 Ready Sweet Flavor Pak. Note: a deep cavity brew basket is required for brewing. Each Ready Sweet Flavor Pak is formulated to flavor a 3-gallon batch of delicious flavored sweet tea. Place 1 sweet tea pouch centered into the brew basket. Next, place 1 flavor pack on top of the sweet tea pouch. Slide the brew basket into the brewer. Follow your equipment manufacturer settings to brew 3 gallons of delicious iced tea. After brewing, be sure to stir tea well to incorporate sugar solids and liquid tea. Your delicious, refreshing, flavored sweet tea is ready to serve. Some important things to keep in mind. The optimal brew temperature is 205 degrees Fahrenheit with a minimum temperature of 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to discard any unused tea after 12 hours. Store Ready Sweet Flavor Paks in a cool, dry place. Thanks for joining us.